Hey friends, it's Ashley. I'm just out here walking here. It's been so beautiful the past few days here in Tennessee. The weather started changing and I'm so excited because it means I get to go outside and start doing my outdoor exercise, which I love. I'd much rather prefer that. I don't know about you guys, but isn't it more enjoyable when you get some sunshine too? I wanted to get on here today because I want to start kind of challenging myself. I'm going to do an 8-week challenge for myself. And I just figured, why don't I ask you guys too if you want to join me? Because this 8-week challenge is going to be basically the primary goal is to lower blood sugar, lower cortisol, balance out hormones, and lose some belly weight. If you are a perimenopausal mom or perimenopausal woman over 35, you know probably what I'm talking about and how our hormones have changed so much. And so I just figured I would not just do this for myself, but also give you guys an opportunity to kind of have an accountability group, because I know for me, that helps a lot. It helps if I have people that I can talk to about it and support, and maybe talk about meal ideas, talk about hacks, just have overall support. And I'm actually going to be even including a meal plan that I designed that's in my upcoming book, but I want to give it to you guys for free just because it'll go along with the diet and exercise and routine and cortisol lowering and all that kind of stuff. So if you've struggled with weight gain, cortisol issues, hormone, maybe anxiety, all those kind of things, consider joining my 8-week challenge. So it's going to go from basically this week until the first week of April. So I figured we could kind of do anything for 8 weeks, right? If, cut the sugar, any form of sugar. I mean, I'm not a big sugar eater, but I'll occasionally have little maple syrup or things like that. I'm talking, let's go all out. Let's see how we can do with this one, and let's see how we can feel. And I want to offer this to you guys. So if you're interested in something like this, reach out to me, message me, put a comment here, or message me personally if you can on Instagram. And if you're on YouTube, go over to my Instagram and just message me there. So this is going to be a private group. It's for free, but it's private. And I'm going to make it on Group Me, most likely. Perhaps WhatsApp, if more people have WhatsApp. We'll have to see which app people prefer, but those are great platforms that we could use. So anyway, let me know, friends. I would be love and be really excited to be in a little accountability group with y'all. So enjoy your day, and we'll talk soon.